VegasLoveBug. I put another 20 in and worked it up to 32.60. And I got this special, and I'm gonna do 2 Type 5, 16 games. And I did it at $1. Let's see if something happens. Almost got a retrigger. Ooh. But no multiplier. Oh, come on. Where's the multipliers? There's one. Jack! Oh, missed the last jack. It could have been bigger. Seven games left. Let's see if it multiplies. Oh! Yeah. Deer. No retrigger, but YAAMAVA is a great place to go because something good could happen. You never know when. I didn't get a re-spin. It's supposed to do re-spins once in a while. And I got 14. My 20 turned into 46.60. So I'm gonna do 50 cents. And I'm going to take it down to 40 at cash out. Almost. Looks like 4 more spins and I cash out. Oh, maybe not. It looks like I have 8 more spins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the last spin. I'm cashing out. DELUXE. YAAMAVA Casino, where $20 turns into $40 at 20 cents. VegasLoveBug going out of my mind at YAAMAVA. Please subscribe. VegasLoveBug signing off.